We need to have those one-on-one experiences. We need to have things in our life that make us grin because there's something different about it that no one else has. I make stuff for me, and I make stuff for my life, and I make stuff that I want. If I'm into golf or into tennis or into playing drums or whatever passion I'm into really fuels the design side of my brain. I see a space and I want to put my thumbprint on it. My first mentor is a guy by the name of Bobby Chang. When I was a student in design school, he founded the company Nikosey. And I reached out to him when I was in college and I said, hey, I want to make a backpack. Like, what do I do? Because I was a designer at the time, but I never made anything. He said, buy a sewing machine and figure it out. That one push opened the doors for learning what it takes to have a factory. I could build anything that I wanted to. I didn't have to rely on anyone else. There's a lot of things that influence the decisions that we make with design. To be simple, to be functional, to do everything at the highest level that we can, and to do things with integrity, to build our products with the best materials, built in the best way. That to me is the thing that is the most important to make something that lasts and something that will stand the test of time. I've spent 11 years building this amazing facility and building a team of like the most talented people to be able to take these ideas and make that happen real quick. For us to be able to get materials from all over the world, find the ones that we like the most with the right hardware, sewn in the right way, it's a special makeup. That's also what makes our products last a long time. If black leather fades, that's a problem. So our material has to be robust and has to be durable enough to withstand a lot of UV, a lot of travel, and a lot of use. And we have material that's made specifically for us that has a specific pebble, a specific thickness of pebble. It feels rich and it feels like it's a part of you in some way. Although we're in a craft-based business, to use new technology to make dyes and to make cutting dyes and to make tooling for stamping and tooling for precision manufacturing, that makes everything so much better. Music, number one, is one of the most influential things to me. We have music playing all day long here. It's like the pulse of the facility. It gives us energy. It makes us work harder. It makes us work more focused. We're not rushing. We're not cracking whips on people to make stuff faster, to meet production. We're taking our time and we're making the best thing. And when you're able to approach the craft with a good vibe in the space, that allows you to kind of put your soul into the thing that you're making. Craftsmanship is about the artisan being proud of the work that they're making. It's a passion-based art. I let our work speak for us. What comes with that is this natural timelessness, this natural class. Every time I do what I do, I want to be the best that I can at it. That doesn't come from anywhere else other than yourself.